Okay, so this is my first attempt at running this thing with any kind of equipment or anything on it. I've got a cast aluminum box that I was going to square up using a cheapy fly cutter I got off Amazon. Let's see how this goes. Well, looks like I just found something out. Apparently, the crossover slide is not enough. Well, let's set this back up and make sure it's square again and try it again. Alright, so this will not go far enough back, which means that I need to move the vise to the back. So I will do that. Close this up so I can see what the hell I'm doing. If anyone watching this is wondering what this is a ShopFox M1018 combo mill lathe. And for the price, it's not a bad beginner lathe. At least, I don't think it is, because you just witnessed me trying to machine my first part on it, so. I need to get a better fucking vise, I think. So let's try this again. See how badly I fuck up at it this time. Yeah, that's way more than I wanted. said that the thing was perfectly flat to begin with. I mean, if there wasn't a dip in the past.
And also, what increase the nose radius on your tool.
What? Okay, so as you can see, I had my dad help me run some updates and do some nice practice, and as you can see, this is what happens when you don't have a very good Vicer machine. I broke through the box quite spectacularly. So what I was going to intend that for is now junk. One thing's for certain, I need to get a different vise for this, because not being able to do the full range of motion and the way it clamps on things, it just isn't great. There's no way in hell I'm going to get any kind of accuracy out of that. And I may actually need to switch to more of an end mill rather than a fly cutter. As much as I hate to do that, I may need to drop the money for that. But first things first, let's get an actual, not this weird compound rest thing, but an actual machinist's vise that'll fit into this thing, and go from there. So I thank everyone for watching, all 3 subscribers of mine. And if you guys like it, let me know. I'll post more shit that I do in the garage. If not, well, avoid these videos at all costs. Later.